You want to install this application before you go on the road driving. Well, anyways, we show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. And here, this is the old screen of the application, and it will pretty much ask you for your location. Just allow that, and you're pretty much good to go. So here they can say, we'll just ask for your location, and this is pretty much where I'm located in Jamaica. So here you can see you can navigate through the application and places and so forth and see what's going on the road and so forth. This is downtown Kingston, and these signs that you see is pretty much potholes on the road. So it's giving you a caution ahead of time, so when you go on the road you can watch out for these potholes. So there's a lot of potholes in Jamaica, so you're gonna see a lot of these pop up, as you can see, quite a lot. Also, it tracks speed cameras, so you're gonna see that as well. It tracks police. So let's say police is down the road, it's gonna tell you, okay, police 10 minutes ahead, so be careful, put on your seatbelt, whatever the case is. Also, do make sure you select the car vehicle. Don't erase the motorcycle. The top on that option here can go across and select what are you driving. This is great because it gives you even a better heads up as it relates to if police on the road or anything like that. Also, the type of gas as well. So do make sure you enter the correct information for those. And if you do want to avoid the toll roads, then do make sure you enable this feature so it gives you a better route that doesn't lead you through any tolls. So more routing options can tap on this here to avoid ferries, avoid freeways, and so forth. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as I said before, do make sure you enter the correct information there. Also, if you see anything that you want to give a report on, all you have to do is just pretty much go over here, tap on the 3 lines. So once you've done that, you're pretty much gonna tap on your location router. So once you get your exact location, then you'll be able to see that you can report. But I can't show my exact location, but it will show your exact location. And once you have done that, once you have tapped on that arrow to redirect you to your location, then you'll be able to make a report. Let's say there's a police at this location, maybe a pothole, maybe bad weather in this area, maybe the gas prices is too high, anything here. Also, you can report crashes ahead as well. So depends on what you want to report. They're going to review it and confirm it. And also, once you have sent in a report, they will also, other people will also see it and they will confirm it. So let's say the police is 10 minutes ahead. Once you have reached that mark, they will, before you even reach it, they will ask you if they are still there. And if you can just tap on yes to help the community. So yeah. So that's it for that option there. And here you can tap on where. This pretty much enables you to find gas stations, food places, parking spaces, also places for groceries where you can go shopping. You can tap on the more option to find a different option as well. You can find hotels and so forth. So it depends on what you want. You just tap on the arrow icon here and it will pretty much find something for you. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, and I forgot one thing, you can go in the view profile section here and pretty much go invisible. So you can also log in and let other people see that they have reported something, and it will also give you a like and so forth. Nothing much for that. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. If I've missed anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly love to help you out. And see you guys in the next one.